What's up? I'm Scott Moran from SamCart, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create an ebook that people actually want to buy from you. Let's go. Welcome to our brand new 3-part series about launching, selling, and growing your own business using an ebook. An ebook is the simplest business model on the planet. The biggest hurdle that you're gonna face when writing your own ebook is believing that you have something worth reading, that you have something worth listening to, something worth paying for. That inner self-doubt is going to be your biggest hurdle. And so I want to help you just get that doubt out of your mind with something that we call the 1-chapter rule. If you feel like I'm not an expert, I'm not the terminal level person and you're gonna talk about whatever you're passionate about, right? Don't worry about it. All you have to be is 1 chapter ahead. You just have to have some level of knowledge that's gonna help people coming up behind you. That you can act as a mentor and act as an expert that is gonna walk those people up the path that you're currently on. You don't have to be the expert. You just have to realize that the knowledge that's in your head and the knowledge you can go acquire by reading books and finding blogs and watching videos and just sort of accumulating knowledge like that is going to help people that are down the path and following you up that path where you want to go. So probably inside of the Product Creation Masterclass, the biggest question we get is, what should my book be about, right? People ask, how long should it be, or how many pages does it need to be, how many chapters, and none of that stuff matters. All that matters is this one thing. We call it the man overboard test. Imagine you're on a boat, okay, and your audience is on your boat with you, right? And they fall off the boat, they're now in the water, and they're struggling, they're saying, help, help, help. You don't have time to walk someone through 8 different steps. You have time to yell one thing to save their life. Hey, swim for it. That's all you got, right? What is that one thing that you would give to your readers? But the idea is that you have a very quick hitting window. Your job with this ebook is to solve one problem. Do not write the entire history, the entire encyclopedia of your topic. Your job is to solve one problem. Your audience is drowning. They are in the water. What are you going to yell to save them? And so with that, guys, get writing. Open up something, grab an old blog post you wrote, or just open up a Google Doc and just start writing. Perfect is the enemy of your success. Perfect is just doubt with a PhD, right? It's just someone who's I'm just gonna put it off and put it off and put it off and keep learning, right? And they never actually take motion. They never actually put something out into the world. So do not worry about perfect. Perfect can come later. And so just one last thought to wrap up this video, because it might be the most important as we move on part 2 and part 3. But this one, on the inner belief part, I just wanna say, I don't know who needs to hear this right now, but I believe in what you're doing, okay? I have seen everything happen on SamCart. Every single crazy idea has come to life and has worked. And I'm a believer in whatever it is that you want to do right now. You have something that is worth sharing with the world, that is worth purchasing, that the right person is going to come along and pay you to do. And I know what that can do to someone's life. And I'm super excited to see what you are going to do with that. And so what do you think, guys? Are you ready to get rid of perfectionism? Do you guys see how an ebook could be the first step, a stepping stone to something bigger and better for you and your family? And I'm super excited to hear what you have to say about that. Let me know in the comments down below how you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe here to our SamCart YouTube channel, and we'll see you guys back here in part 2, where we're gonna be ready to start selling your ebook.